Hello friends, welcome back on Mr. channel. I am Ramkesh Singh, and in today's video we are just going to make a big announcement for you and hope you are going to love it. So let's start the today video. If you're new on the channel, so make sure to subscribe the channel and let's start the video. So friends, in today video we are going to make an announcement in 2020 on Nested Mango channel. You know, it's really very funny name, but I really like the name, and we'll talk about why it is Nested Mango. So when time will allow us, so we'll discuss about it. So in today video I'm going to make a few announcement for this channel, and hopefully you will love this announcement. So let's talk about first announcement. So first announcement is that key you are going to see join button on the channel, and there will be one join button. Like you must have seen that just near to the subscribe button, there you must have seen the join button. So this button will be enabled on our channel. So in this video I'm just going to enable it, and before enabling it I'm just going to share some three perks I have created. First one is 59 rupees. In join button, what happened is that when you join, so you just pay the some money to join. And for why you should join, so first thing, it may be that you want to support the channel, so support for the Nested Mango, so you can just pay 59 rupees monthly. And let's suppose you want some extra benefit from, like you want script or you want projects, because I'm running the multiplayer series, so most of the people are commenting that they want the script, they want the projects. So I really didn't think about that before the 10,000 subscribers, and after that I have now 20,000 subscriber, and now I thought about this, that I should start the join button. So I just choose a very minimal amount so that anyone or students to any developer can join is and take the benefit. Because for the running the channel we really need so much things, like we need the system, we need the mic, we need so many things, we need the time. So for running the channel properly I'm just starting the join button. And if you are the YouTuber, or if you are the creator, or you must have knowledge about that, if we are not making that much money by the YouTube AdSense, that the ad run on our videos. So for this I'm starting the join button, and hopefully you will love it. And I'm requesting you guys to just join whatever you can. Just you can join for 59 rupees if you just want to support the channel, and if you want the scripts or projects. So for scripts I have just put the 199 rupees, and if you want the projects, so projects I will provide when that series will complete, and I will provide that project. So that cost is 599 rupees. So that's it, and just I'm starting turning on, and you will just see on the channel. So let's start it. Okay, so now I have started, and I want to share one more thing, that whatever you pay, I will not get all that money. Means if you will pay 100 rupees, so I will get 70 rupees, and 30 rupees will have to the YouTube. Let's move towards our second announcement, and hopefully you love the first one, and let's move on the second. So second announcement in 2022 is that on this channel most of the people are saying that you upload the blogging. Means that was earlier, before the 1 year ago, and now people are just saying that they're not expecting the unboxing videos, they're not expecting the stuff rather than the Unity. So just what I am going to do is that you will get only Unity related stuff, AR VR technology stuff. Technology stuff means whatever will be related to learning I will share here. Means that will be related to Unity, AR VR, or something related to technology. So that is the big announcement. This is the second announcement, and hopefully you will love it. Announcement, that is the English content. Yeah, You must have noticed that I'm speaking in English, and really my English is not so good, but I'm trying, and I'm trying to improve it. And I've thought so much about it, that English, Hindi versus English, and finally I decided that I must go with the English. There is a many reason, means I can realize that my most of the subscriber will not happy with this, but dear friends, I will try to speak very slowly, and you will be able to understand. And you must also improve your English so that you can just conquer with the world, because if you are speaking in Hindi, so you will be available in India, but if you are speaking and understanding the English language, so your reachability will be more. So I think you must also increase. And what I can do from my side for Hindi viewers, that I will speak slowly, and I will try to explain as much as I can to make understand to my Hindi people. So hope you will welcome this uh, decision, and thank you so much for loving me and supporting me, my Hindi audience as well as my English audience, because there were always two audience on my channel. There was one Hindi and one English. So last year I decided that I will make content in Hindi language, so my English audience just disappointed with me, and now I am making the English content. So hope Hindi audience will also be disappointed, but I am apologizing. I am getting apologize to my Hindi audience, that please just improve your English, and I will make you understand in English very slowly, and you will understand. In English part, I want to also add something, that in multiplayer Unity, I will make that series in Hindi language, but rather than that series, I will post everything in English language. So hope you got the idea, and hope this is the good news for those who loves Hindi in multiplayer series. So this is our third, and I'm not expecting anything in fourth. So this were the announcement in 2022. And guys, who are my English audience, please just ignore my English mistake. I will improve, and I am improving as much I can. So, and in technically I am able to make you understand. Sometimes I get the very negative comment on my channel regarding my English, but I will improve, I promise to you. And that's it for the today video, today announcement. And thank you so much for your love and support. And I'm again requesting to you, just join my join button, whatever you can join, so that I can run channel very smoothly, and I also get motivated to make more contents. So thank you so much everyone. Thanks for your love and support. See you in next tutorial. Bye bye, take care.